The 2018 Chevrolet Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, fog lights, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.